Congratulations to all of the BCI members coming together with us to celebrate BCI's 100th anniversary. It's an exciting period and point in time to be involved, and I look forward to working with the industry to set up a great foundation for the next 100 years of BCI.
Congratulations, BCI, on your 100-year birthday. It's been fantastic working with you for the last 30 years, and I look forward to many more.
Congratulations, BCI, on a fantastic 100 years.
And here's to another 100.
Cheers, BCI. Cheers.
I just think it is wonderful. Wonderful. It's fantastic. An industry that is, the association celebrating 100 years is simply fantastic. And it's fantastic, our product that has more than 160 years. Happy anniversary, BCI.
Hey, cheers to 100, BCI.
Happy birthday, BCI.
Happy anniversary, BCI. On behalf of Hal and Diane Hawk and Crown Battery, we wish you the best. We look good after 100 years.
Happy 100th anniversary, BCI, from Tech Metals. I'm confident that through innovation, industry research activities will continue to enhance LED's capabilities to meet tomorrow's energy needs. BCI members were up to the challenge to ensure the 200th anniversary.
On behalf of Gopher Resource, happy 100 years to Battery Council International, and we're looking forward to the next 100.
Congratulations, felicidades, BCI, for 100 years. 100 años, incredible, great, grandioso, bravo.
From somebody with 26 years in this great battery industry of ours to an organization with over 100 years, congratulations, BCI.
From all of us at Duramic, happy anniversary, BCI. It's been a wonderful 100 years.
In the realm where power resides, BCI stands with pride. 100 years, a century's flight, guiding with wisdom, shining bright. With every charge, each spark anew, BCI, we honor you. Innovation's beacon, steadfast true, here's to a century and more to pursue. Happy birthday, BCI.
On behalf of Intech International, happy anniversary. We appreciate everything you've done for our industry.
Happy anniversary, BCI. Congratulations.
Congratulations on 100 years. We look forward to the next 100 years and the innovation that will come in battery storage and lead batteries from this team.
From all of us at Straight Energy,
Cheers to 100 years.
All right, congratulations, BCI, on 100 years.
Happy anniversary, Battery Council International, from Clarios to you, and looking forward to another 100.
Happy 100th anniversary, BCI.
Congratulations, BCI, on 100 years.
Congratulations on 100 years, BCI, on behalf of Hollingsworth and Bose.
Congratulations, BCI, on 100 years.
happy 100th anniversary, BCI.
On behalf of East Penn and all of our employees, happy 100th anniversary, Battery Council International.
Congratulations to BCI on 100 years.
On behalf of GS Yuasa, I'd like to thank Battery Council International for making the U.S. battery industry a stronger industry and providing support that we all need to thrive.
Congratulations, BCI, on 100 years.
On behalf of East Penn Manufacturing, happy anniversary and congratulations to BCI. I'm looking forward for the next 100 years.
Congratulations, BCI, on 100 years.
From all the folks at EnerSys, I want to congratulate Batteries Council International on 100 years. I'm looking forward to the next 100.
Happy birthday, BCI.
Happy anniversary, BCI. Thanks for a great first 100 years. Hopefully the second will be just as good.
Happy anniversary, BCI.
On behalf of the Hammond Group, I'd like to congratulate 100 years to the BCI.
Congrats on 100 years, BCI.
Cheers to 100 more.
For the BCI, U.S. Battery wants to say congratulations for your leadership, your modeling, and your invitation to ask questions and to get the answers. Thank you, BCI, from U.S. Battery.
Congratulations, BCI.